Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? Today we will learn middle sound words. Let's start it. Middle sound word O. The fox is on the box. The dog is on a log. A boy is with a mop and a pot. Middle sound word I. A kid is with a bib and a fig. A tin is in the big bin. Middle sound word E. Men are in the den with a hen and a red pen. I get a wet pet and a net. Middle sound word A. A man is with a can and a van. A fat rat sat on the mat. Middle sound word U. The bug is on the rug. Run to the fun sun. Kids, today we learn middle sound words. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.